What is up, guys? How you all doing? This is Saurabh and I welcome you to the Motorbike Vlogs. The weather is getting better and it's a good time to ride on your bike. In rides पे मज़ा भी बहुत आता है, but there is some sort of a apprehension at the back of your mind that what if, God forbid, I have a flat wheel, then what? So I want to look at some sort of a solution where these punctures could be avoided. See, no tire in the world is puncture proof, but I'm sure something can be done so that it can become puncture resistant. So I'm gonna go to Kunal, who owns Fatboy Customs in Gurgaon, and I'm gonna speak to him and we're gonna look at some sort of a solution. So let's go, shall we? I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. Here we are. Hey man, how are you? So here I am with Kunal. He's the owner of Fatboy Customs. How are you doing, Kunal? Good to see you, man.
Good to see
Very
you.
well.
Yeah.
Sure ride, right?
Yeah, that's good.
Beautiful bike, man.
Thank you.
So Kunal,
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you, I want some sort of a solution for this to make this bike puncture resistant or to avoid punctures. What could be done on this?
See, you have two options. One is that you have a sealant it's called Formula X.
Okay.
It's specifically built for motorcycles, and the way it works is that it's a liquid which is inside the tube, which becomes foam when it's contracted with the high pressured air. So the moment, let's say, the nail goes in and the air pressure से जब air बाहर आएगी pressure से, so this will become like a foam. It seals there. Now it has some certain limitations. Minor 1 mm, 2 mm nail will go. It will hold on there. And if the tube cuts for about an inch, it's not gonna work. So this is a good option that we're using for all the riders. Minor punctures, this can be taken care. The other alternative is to change the entire rims and do a tubeless conversion, which we have done for the Himalayan. So we already have a Himalayan built up, which are running on 18 inches wheel front and rear, and both are tubeless.
Okay.
Yeah.
So since it's a new bike,
Yeah.
do you recommend that I should change the rims or if I should just stick to the Formula X thing and it should work?
Yeah, see, I know you and the ride that you do, I would say you should go for this, because converting the rims entirely into, putting that kind of a money. Definitely, if you're looking at, 20,000 kilometers a year and you're always on the road, and then you may have a problem of, definitely you don't want those things. But yes, during your city rides and then around here, I think this is the best solution that we have.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Sounds
Yeah.
good, man.
Yeah.
So how expensive is this thing so that, people on YouTube can
Yeah, this
just
is for
get an idea?
1900
Okay.
and we charge about 100 rupees for the installation. It's a 5-minute process. We'll just show it to you right away. Yeah.
Is there something that one should keep in mind after getting the liquid filled?
So this is very important, and that is something that I have also learned. If there is a low air pressure in your motorcycle, this may not work optimum.
All right.
So one thing that you always have to ensure that your air pressure is optimum. Point one. Two, let's say you feel that there is a low air pressure or there is a nail already inside and now you want to refix it. Always ensure that there is a little extra air pressure. Otherwise, low air pressure it won't work. So you have to have an optimum air pressure. That's the only important that you need to take care of. That's it. Yeah.
Awesome. Sounds
Yeah,
good,
yeah.
man. So I
Good.
think let's get this thing done.
Yeah, sure. Ram?
राम कैसे हो आप?
बढ़िया है सर।
राम ने मेरी बाइक बहुत ज़्यादा रिपेयर किया है। I've known him for 12 years now. 12 साल से आप मेरी दूसरी बाइक भी देख रहे हो, राम?
हाँ जी।
Okay, so this is the kit. क्या आता है बॉक्स के अंदर?
2 ट्यूबें हैं इसमें।
हाँ।
ये फ्रंट के लिए, ये रियर के लिए। पहले
और
हवा निकाले हैं, हवा निकाल के फिर पूरी हवा निकलने के बाद फिर ये फार्मूलास डाल रहे हैं। फिर उसके बाद ये डालने के बाद फिर नोजल लगा देंगे।
now he's putting the nozzle back. तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली कितना ml लिक्विड गया टायर के अंदर? So it says roughly 325 ml in one and 500 ml in one. Now we're putting the air back. The rear wheel is done and now we're gonna put the liquid in the front wheel.
अब ये सर पूरी तरीके से डल गया इसमें।
हाँ.
अब ये हवा डाल दिया इसमें।
After filling the wheels with this fluid, one has to ride for about 10 kilometers so that वो evenly spread हो जाए दोनों wheel के अंदर. And you should also watch your speed. You should ideally keep the bike at about 50 kilometers an hour so that एक lump ना form हो wheel के अंदर. That's very important. So alright guys, this is done. और राइड करता हूँ मैं इसको, देखता हूँ ये कैसे चलता है और कितना सक्सेसफुल है. इफ़ यू गाइज लाइक द कंटेंट, लाइक द वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, इट विल मीन अ लॉट टू मी. And I'll see you soon on another episode of the Motorbike Vlogs. So ride hard, ride safe. See you all very soon.